Hey guys, welcome back to Theme Parks and Horror Stuff. We are at our hotel, the Westin Anaheim Resort.
For your birthday.
Yep.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Well, it's 2 more days, but we're blocked out from Disney on Saturday, so that's your Imagine Key specialty right there. But I never seen anybody post about this hotel. We found out by going to Puesto, the restaurant. It's a really nice. Oh wow! Look, you got a robe. It's nice. And I love the. See, if I was staying here more than one night, I could do my makeup here with that light too, or that mirror. Got nice soaps and what is this? Oh, body lotion. A big shower. Well, look, conditioner, shampoo, body wash, and we got the big closet here. Our extra bedding and another robe. Ooh, and it got a light in there too. Wow. A lot of drawers.
Behind you.
Oh, another mirror. Oh yeah, there's oh wow. There's a whole light on it. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, to control the lights, you go over here. Go ahead and press it, Gustavo. They have 3 different ones. I think it's on day right now.
Day, so it's just
night. It's the night mode.
And then day mode.
It's very nice. And then, oh yeah, on the TV it's got Good Morning Gustavo, because it was under Gustavo's name. So it's very nice. And they already had, like, we just got here and they already had the room ready. King size bed, as Tim Tracker would say. USB plugs. Oh wow. Got a nice little notepad. Like, that's nice. I kind of want to steal it. Just kidding. And I'm pretty sure that this couch turns into a bed if you wanted to. Nice little table and chairs. Don't mind our stuff. But yeah, it's a pretty nice room.
Look, they left like some kind of perfume for sleep.
Sleep well. Wow. It's nice. And yeah, it tells you the weather, what time it is.
Oh look, here's the you take the remote for the AC.
Oh yeah. Oh, control. Let's see. How is it?
There we go.
Nice. It turns on. We'll see. And look at how they have like a Keurig. I don't drink coffee. Water. I wonder if they charge you. Well, it's room temperature too. It looked like a wine bottle opener.
Wine key. Yeah, a wine key.
Oh yeah, see, that tells you how much they charge for everything. It's nice.
So if you bring your own wine, you have.
Yeah, it's a nice little look. Oh yeah. Westin? Oh. Yeah, we're in the lobby right now. Yeah. Oh, I think that's where we eat breakfast there tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
It'll be nice.
Yeah, here's the bar.
The bar looks nice. So right outside we got Puesto. We ate there a few times for our anniversary and we love it. We're coming back again for my birthday. But it's attached to the hotel and that's how we found
This hotel.
That's actually how we found this hotel. It's just coming to this restaurant. It's really good. Really good Mexican food. So if you're ever in Anaheim, come stay at Westin and eat at Puesto, because honestly, this is our 3rd time coming within like a few months. So good. Okay, let me try to switch the camera around a bit. There's Puesto. Okay. And then this is the hotel. It's not too bad today. Going to Disneyland and staying at Disneyland today. Got my birthday pin.
Oh, yeah.
We're on the hunt for the black mini or large backpacks and fanny packs because I'm looking for something plain to bring to work. And I really like the backpack. But we're also trying to, while we're here, it's so crazy, but we're trying to get tickets for me for one of my favorite bands is playing tomorrow, last minute. So it's like, yeah, I'm a little overwhelmed right now. But we got this. I'm going to get a ticket. Well, we made it to the castle. Gonna go get a churro. It is packed today. Crowd meter 20 out of 20. 2,000. 3,000. They turned it up to 11 today.
Let's see how it goes.
We have the photo pass. We're gonna get photos today too. Spring flowers.
Tomorrowland, that's behind us. But coming up here on the right side is the gateway to Fantasyland, right there through Sleeping Beauty Castle. Right next door to the castle is the Fantasy Fair, where you can meet some of your favorite princesses and their royal friends. We're now...
Style. How long is it right now for Rise?
90 minutes.
It's crazy.
It doesn't look like 90 minutes.
Yeah, it
to
does.
me.
Look at the queues outside. That's 90 minutes.
That's 90 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Look, it goes all the way down here.
Oh, okay, it is 90 minutes.
Yeah, Mr. Know-It-All.
It's long. It's long.
Well, what have we done so far today?
So far, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, and Jungle Cruise. But
Oh,
we
Jungle
waited.
Cruise.
We waited only. It said 40 minutes, but we only waited 20.
Yeah.
And we bought the lightning lane today because it's my birthday. I don't want to wait in line. So, but yeah, I was able to stack a bunch of rides for later.
Oh, yeah.
Starting like now, we got Big Thunder, we got Rise. What else we got? Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones. Yeah.
I think that's it.
That's it.
Because the last one we used was Pirates, so I was able to get at least 4 in a row.
Yeah. So we're
It's
gonna
just
have a good time.
too crazy today.
Oh, it is
Spring
crowded
break.
today. Yeah, it's still spring break.
So,
Let's do this.
but we're having a good time. Unfortunately, I did not find that bag.
Well, we're trying one more spot.
Oh yeah, Pooh's Corner. We went to Pooh's Corner. And then what else? Oh yeah, I didn't get my concert tickets. I sold out. Like it was like Taylor Swift. I was like, why is this like Taylor Swift?
It sold out in like less than 2 seconds, I feel.
Yep. Scalpers.
Yep. Somebody's trying to sell a ticket for $300. I'm like, no.
I've never noticed this before. The little poopy area for the dogs, service dogs.
Entrance to Star Wars right by Winnie the Pooh and
Hungry Bear.
Hungry Bear.
I never eat here. This food's too greasy for me.
We eaten here once, but
Just the fries.
you ate the fries. I ate the burger. The burger wasn't bad. I
Yeah.
like the burger.
Passengers of vessel TR-141, this ship is now under the direct command of the First Order. Disembark immediately. Proceed down the hall for interrogation. Quickly.
Feet and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Approved, droid. Go to the prisoner. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Attention road crash. Prisoners must see on level D. There they are! Fire! Cover recruits! Distant off the force! Take the risk now! Hurry!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Gustavo,
Yes,
every time we do that ride, it's amazing.
it's always amazing.
Love it.